Well, how do I see?
Look in the back.
I don't get how I see.
You just look at the back.
Where?
Well, you're taking a picture of yourself.
Oh, that's what I said. Oh, Eden, go play with Grandpa's wallet. Fix Grandpa's wallet. Fix it. No, it's just losing interest. Oh, look. Yeah, she's got the pliers. She's gonna really fix it. Yeah. Eden, fix it.
You push the red button to stop it.